Stargazers should prepare for a rare celestial event, as astronomers anticipate a quote, once-in-a-lifetime explosion from the star system T Coronae Borealis, also known as the Blaze Star. Located 3,000 light-years away, this system, which includes a red giant and white dwarf, experiences visible explosions roughly every 79 to 80 years. The last outburst occurred in 1946, and another is expected before September of 2024. The star system, found in the Northern Crown constellation, may soon become one of the brightest objects in the night sky, ABC7 has reported. The exact timing is uncertain, but a recent pre-eruption dip in brightness suggests the explosion is imminent.